Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by selecting an open-pollinated or heirloom Romaine variety so offspring keep the same traits. Do not save seeds from hybrids. Collect seeds from a single open-pollinated or heirloom Romaine variety to maintain traits. Plant a few sample lettuces spaced 6 to 12 inches apart and let 1 or 2 plants grow past maturity until they bolt. Allow plants to bolt and flower. Wait until seed pods loosen before collecting. Harvest when the flower stalk is dry and seed heads are papery and brown. Work on a dry, sunny day to avoid mold. After collecting dry seed heads, hold them over a clean bowl and strip the papery pods until most seeds fall free. Strip seed heads into a bowl and rub to separate seeds from chaff. Use your fingers and a sieve to break up clusters, then pour the mix slowly in front of a gentle fan or outside on a calm day to blow away lighter plant debris. Winnow with a fan or breeze to remove chaff and dust. Finally, spread seeds on a paper towel to dry. Dry seeds thoroughly for 7-10 days in a cool, dry place. Once fully dry, place romaine seeds in a small airtight jar with a silica gel packet or dry rice to maintain low moisture. Store seeds in an airtight jar with a desiccant at about 40 degrees F and 30% relative humidity. Put the jar in a refrigerator or cool cellar and label jars with variety and harvest year. Viability is typically 3 years under these conditions. Before planting, perform a germination test by placing 10 seeds on a damp paper towel at 65 degrees.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.